Good day, guys. As you can see, my temperature monitoring control system. As you can see, the brightness is too high. Let's go back. Let's take from this angle. Let's check the lights. Let's go ThingSpeak. Let me adjust some temperature set point. This is my 4 times 20 times 4 LCD. Then here I have my Arduino Uno as my master controller, and here I have ESP8266 Wi-Fi module is behaving as my slave. Is connected to my Arduino Uno, my master, via serial UART serial RX and TX. And then here I have my temperature probe DHT11. This is my temperature probe. Let me see. Here is it. Currently is measuring the room temperature. As you can see from the screen, from my Internet of Things, ThingSpeak are converted into percentage. Should be this one, because the device is measured. The device range is from 0 degrees Celsius to 50. Now currently, I think we are measuring about 25 degrees Celsius. I convert it into percentage. That's why it's giving us 50%. But if I come from my LCD, I can see it. As you guys can see there, we are currently measuring 25.30 degrees Celsius. This value here, the top one, right top corner there, we have 25.20 degrees Celsius. And the humidity, we are sitting at 28% of humidity. As you can see, the set point is 16 on my LCD. And my control variable, the output from my PNID inside my Arduino software, of which I'm going to show you later, is at 92%. Is increasing because the error between the set point and the PV is bigger. It's big. As you can see, it's 33. If we check 50 minus 16, we're going to have 33. That's why my PNID is telling my fan. This control variable, I'm using it as the fan speed reference. It's currently a DC motor, which is going to be running on this controller here, of which I didn't connect yet, but later I will connect it and see how it's going to work. Yeah, this is the ThingSpeak. We are currently live here, and on top they have some graph of my data my real data coming in. These are real-time data that are so far coming in. But I still have to edit them properly so that I can give them names and descriptions. As you can see, this is my set point. We're currently sitting at 16. You see there, 16%. Let me zoom in. You see, also on my ThingSpeak, I have 16% as set point. If I come on my LCD, the one displaying the Arduino process, set point is at 16%. There's a set point. And let's look at the code. This is my Arduino IDE code for this humidifier with a temperature controller. But I don't know if you guys can see properly. It's quite a long code of almost 260 lines. And this is where I'm monitoring my communication between my Wi-Fi module ESP8266-1S with my Arduino and Ethernet. Here is where I'm getting the status to check if my communication is okay or fine. As you can see, the data are going, and these are real-time data that are currently going. As you can see the time there. Currently, we are here in Johannesburg. The time is 23 minutes past 4, 33 seconds. So the communication is fine. As you can see on my PC, the time also on my PC. See there, the Saturday, 4th September 2021. Now, we have to go back to ThingSpeak. Web browser, web page. Here we are. Here just displaying some graph of my process variable. This is my set points coming from Arduino Uno via the Wi-Fi module, which is a slave of my Arduino Uno master. It's like my master on this control system. And I have my PV. This currently we are measuring the room temperature, but I displayed here in terms of percentage. As you see there, we are almost at 50% because currently we are reading 25 degrees Celsius in this room. And this is my control variable, the outputs of my PNID. As this is almost 100%. So I'm gonna try to, let's go to the widget so that you can see. This is PID outputs almost 100%. So if I have to decrease, now let me try to increase my set point so that the output can start closing. So I have to decrease my set point a little bit. I'm gonna take 16 seconds to update. Yeah, here we go. On my ThingSpeak. Now we are sitting at 21%. Let me go increase further because no change on my PID output because the error is so small. 99. What happened to my error? No, I think I have to go the other way so that my error can be positive. The error is minus 49. We need at least, if my error is bigger than 2, above 2, then above 2%, then here you go. See my PID start responding. Error is sitting already at 14. The ThingSpeak, there is a delay of 16 seconds because the sample rate on ThingSpeak browser, you cannot go less than 16 seconds. So that's how it's designed. But if we come on my LCD, it's quicker. The response is faster here. As you can see, the error is 14. And my set point is 36. My PV is 50. Let me try to decrease my set point so that the error can increase. If I decrease my set point, you see the error is responding very fast. And my CV is also gonna act accordingly. 94% so far. 95, here we go. 96, because the error is big, it's gonna go faster. 97, here we go. And if I drop my set point, or let me increase my set point so the error can decrease. You see the error is 5, 7. Let's take the error to the negative by increasing our control system set point. If the error is negative, the PNID must start closing, meaning slowing the speed, the motor down. It's going to be dropping from 98, then go to 97. It's going to go slowly because the error is so small. Let's increase the error by increasing our set point. The light is killing everything. Let's increase the error. -10 is going to go faster now. 96%. The CV, our output, the output from the PNID, the one I use as my speed reference, is going to be dropping faster. -94, as you can see. We can also go to the ThingSpeak to see the display. Here, as I said before, there is a sample time of 16 seconds, so we have to be patient here on our ThingSpeak browser. Yes guys, thank you, bye bye.